Want to make money online fast? What if I told you there's a way to automate your income using AI? That's right, you can turn your passion into profit, even while you sleep. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already changing how we do business and make money. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or work 24/7 to use it. Let me show you how you can automate your business and start making money while focusing on the things you love. Step 1. Content creation at lightning speed. So, let's say you run a blog, social media page, or YouTube channel. You need fresh, high-quality content regularly, but that can take hours. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT come in. You simply input a topic or a prompt, and in a matter of seconds, you have a well-written blog post, a captivating social media caption, or even a YouTube script ready to go. AI doesn't just write for you, it can also help brainstorm ideas, suggest improvements, and adapt to your writing style. You're getting more content done in less time, and it's all automated. Step 2. Automate your customer service with AI chatbots. One of the biggest challenges when you're running an online business is keeping up with customer inquiries. Customers expect quick responses, but that takes up a lot of your time. With AI-powered chatbots, you can create an automated support system that answers common questions, resolves issues, and even recommends products. These bots work 24/7, meaning no matter what time it is, your customers are always getting the help they need, without you having to be online all the time. You set it up once, and the bot handles the rest, freeing up your time and improving customer satisfaction. Step 3. Automate your email marketing. One of the most effective ways to make money online is through email marketing. But crafting personalized emails for hundreds or even thousands of subscribers can be a nightmare. With AI tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, you can set up automated email sequences that deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. You can create welcome emails, promotional offers, or follow-ups with just a few clicks. The AI even helps you optimize these emails for engagement by suggesting the best subject lines, sending times, and content tweaks. You don't need to manually send emails every day. AI does it all, and it helps increase your sales and conversions while you focus on growing your business. Step 4. Social media management on autopilot. Social media is a key driver of online income, but posting consistently and analyzing results can take up a lot of your time. This is where AI tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can step in. These platforms allow you to schedule posts in advance, track engagement, and even suggest the best times to post. AI can also analyze your audience's preferences and recommend what type of content will get the most engagement. All of this happens automatically, so you're saving hours each week that you can reinvest into other aspects of your business. Now, here's the magic: passive income. With everything automated, content creation, customer support, email marketing, and social media, you're generating income without needing to be online constantly. Whether it's through sales, affiliate marketing, or ad revenue, your AI-powered systems are running the show while you're off enjoying life. You get to focus on what you love and let AI handle the busy work. The more you automate, the more time you have to scale your business. So, are you ready to start using AI to automate your income and make money online? The tools are out there, and they're easier to use than you might think. Start implementing these AI secrets today, and you'll start seeing results in no time. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let's make money online together.